Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick video. Well, it's probably not going to be quick, but it's more of like an appreciation video and updates and life and all that from what you guys see from the title. It's probably going to be a little bit heavy, but anyway, first of all, I want to thank each and every last person that ordered my spice. It's been a week and a half now since I sold out, and I'm still in disbelief that it happened. I'm like so grateful and I appreciate it. You know, like I said, I only made 100 of them, and I did that because maybe I was a little bit insecure and think that, okay, no one's really paying me any attention, they're probably not gonna buy it. But then you guys literally sold me out in like 8 days. I was sold out, and I just couldn't believe it. I literally worked on this product even before. I was working on this product before my wedding. It's a total of maybe 8 or 9 months. The spice has over 13 ingredients. It's organic. Most of it came from a pod or a seed, and I had to grind it down. You know, a lot of labor went into this spice, which is why it's $10. A lot of people are complaining. At the end of the day, it is what it is. You know, I'm not overcharging anyone. I've seen complaints about that. I'm not trying to gyp anyone or, you know, scam anybody. You know, that's the price. It is what it is. That's the price. So I just wanted to clear it up and get it out the way. I don't need to scam anyone. I'm not homeless. I'm not living on the street. I'm not super poor. I don't need to scam a soul. So let's get all the negativity out of the way. Now we're going to move to the positive. I'm just so grateful. I swear, like, you know, this video is probably not for everyone because y'all don't like when I talk. Y'all don't like when I cook. But I appreciate it. I really do. Secondly, the restock is June, and I'm not gonna say a date anymore because y'all don't like dates. My restock is going to be in June, and I'm also dropping another spice along with Spicy Girl. I'm super excited about that. It's a very popular flavor that people just love and adore, but I found a way to put my own spin on it, and so therefore. Yeah. So I'm currently working on that. I'm praying to God I'm able to drop it when I restock Spicy Girl, because you guys are just gonna be like so obsessed, so in love, like I am. I've been testing that recipe since this weekend, and now. So I'm just hoping and praying you guys love it as much as I do. Yeah. Alright, so you guys know, but let's get into why I call this video karma. I probably should have said good karma, but I already talk about the negative karma all the time on here on my channel. I'll insert all my little talk videos below so you guys can check them out. But every time, like every year goes by, I see something new about someone from my past. I see something that's happening to them that they did to me. I see them going through the same thing. You know, and I'm not here to talk about that and bash on that, but it's just a principle of the fact that I stayed obedient. I stayed obedient. I stayed on my path. I didn't out anyone. I didn't disrespect anyone. I just kept quiet, kept my mouth shut, and I kept working. And it's just so crazy how so much good things started happening to me, and I'm not in disbelief because I've seen good things happen to a lot of people. Let me fix my lighting. I think I'm probably way too bright for you guys. I've seen a lot of things happen, good things happen to people all the time, so I know it's possible. It's just that, you know, again, I've been through so much, it's hard for you to see that for yourself. It's hard for you to see good things happening to you when you lost a parent, you're homeless, your health is going down the line, the doctor telling you got a couple years to live, your blood pressure out of whack. It's hard for you to see blessings when you're in the moment, you're going through something else. And it's just crazy to me how I've never retaliated on things that happened to me. And it's just so crazy, like how much praying, minding your business, keeping your mouth shut, and working hard how many good things can happen to and for you, you know. And every day I said to myself, like, don't get me wrong, I'm not perfect. A couple of those situations, I was so mad I was willing to go to prison. Like, seriously, I was so mad I didn't mind going to prison. So don't think, I'm just always jolly and happy. And no, I'm not. No, I'm not. But I had to realize that I have too much to lose. Too much to lose. You know, I have a family, I have a husband, I have my husband's family, you know, I have possible kids, all these things, and I just can't lose it. I can't lose it. So instead, I put all that heartache, all that pain, everything I've been through, I put it into working. I started working. Everything else, you know, I used to go out and drink a lot. All that money I was going out to drink and hanging out with people that were not my friends, started going to the doctor more often. Spending all that money, going to the doctor. Buying things that were beneficial to me. Doing things that were beneficial to me, both physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Doing things that was beneficial to me. And after a while, I kid you not, even on the days where I'm not even paying attention. And the prime example is Spicy Girl. On everything I love, y'all, I did not expect to sell more than 10 spices. I did not expect to sell more than 10 spices. I really didn't think anyone was paying me any attention. And, you know, I just say that to say is there's good karma and there's bad karma. The energy you put out is the energy you put back in. You control how you react to things. You control your life. People don't understand how this up here, this could either send you to prison, jail, same thing, prison, heaven, or hell. This right here. And all it takes is a couple seconds to just stop, think back, and bring it back. And like I said, and it's not just Spicy Girl, I can't put my personal business out there, but it's other things. Like, it's just so many blessings and like good karma happening to me. Things that I'm not used to, which is why I'm talking about it, because it's finally happening to me for things that I've seen happen to so many people before that I've seen on TV in real life, and it never happens to me, and now it is. So I'm just making this video in hopes to encourage someone to just keep on going. No matter what happens, do not react in a negative way. I'm telling you, it pays off to use that energy into something to benefit yourself. Use that energy, whether it's your skin, your hair, your body, Jesus, the Bible, if you're Muslim, whatever you are. Put that hurt and pain into that. Someone crossed you, that's fine. Get a spa day. Don't do anything that's going to mess up your aura, that's going to mess up your life. Prepare yourself for the good karma. It all leads back to that. Prepare yourself for good karma. Like I said, the reason why I make these videos is because it weighs so much on me to the point where I start to feel bad, actually, for people that did things to me and things are now happening to them. Like, yo, okay, I'm not even gonna be dramatic. I'm not gonna be dramatic. I just said I saw something today, y'all, and it's like every year God is just showing me, like, this is why he's showing me why I didn't react. It sounded like he's rewarding me as to not reacting to certain things that have happened in my life. And, you know, I don't want to brag about it because I have a soft heart and a soft spot. But, guys, just protect your aura, your energy. It's what's important. You don't need anyone but yourself and whoever your higher power is. And that's all I'm going to say. Yeah, just be careful of the energy you put out. You know, it's going to be days when you want to snap somebody's neck, clean off their body. Clean off. Take it clean straight off. in prison for the rest of your life, but you can't do that. Right now, I don't even know what I'm saying. I feel like I'm having an experience or something. I don't know. My eyes tearing up like somebody needed to hear it. I don't know what's going on. But let me go, because I'm not trying to shout and do all that and do all this stuff on here. But don't put that energy out there, y'all. Just don't. There's good karma. There's bad karma. Pray for people. Pray for evil people. Pray for sad people. Pray for everyone, because they need it the most. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What's the update? Oh yeah, I did give the update about Spicy Girl and Spicy Girl's cousin. That's dropping next month. Yeah. Catch you on my next video.